Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of this HP 20 all-in-one PC. It's going to replace our older computer, which is right there. That is another HP, but that is 4 years old. We're going to use this old one for the guest room, and the kids are going to get the new one here. The 20 all-in-one PC is an affordable machine that comes with everything you need. It is model number 20-C013W. The W is for the white one. This also comes in a teal color. But it's a nice little computer, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some banjo music and do a quick unboxing for you. So enjoy the music and enjoy the Fast Time Show. Here we go. Okay, I hope you like that banjo music. It is my favorite of all time. You're looking at a pretty diminutive or sleek computer. I like it. It's all in one, so it's elegant enough where you don't have a bunch of CPU cords or power cords and all that stuff laying around. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the monitor, which is also the CPU, and this actually has a integrated, I believe, let's see. Let's just look. I think it's got a CD player on the side. Yep. On the side, an integrated DVD, CD. All right, let's get this thing set up where it's going to be. And again, it's an attractive unit. That screen is a 19.5-inch HD display. It's white, it's clean and crisp looking. The processor inside that is a Celeron, an Intel Celeron J3060. This particular model comes with a 4 GB direct drive R3L. It's a DDR System Memory. So direct drive, and it's got a 500 GB hard drive. Not huge, but this is for a 7-year-old and a 10-year-old, so they're not going to use it a lot. It's just to keep them doing their homework and up to speed with things that they need to do a computer for. It has, of course, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and an HP webcam on the top there, and a super multi-DVD burner with an ultra slim tray. That's relatively rare on these all-in-ones now, all-in-one computers. It's ultra slim, and you can see it on the side. We'll walk around. You can see it right there, that ultra slim tray. That's actually a nice little luxury. Although most software nowadays is downloaded, that is nice to have the capability to put a DVD in there or something else like that. Everything else you need, it comes with a corded mouse, not wireless. Again, this is an entry level. It's not a high-end piece. It's again, as of December 2017, under $400, probably about $379 for an online retailer or a big box store. You also have your power cord, grounded power cord, and your power adapter or power unit right there. We'll hook that up and we'll power it on and see what it looks like. This should come equipped with a Windows 10 home operating system. Standard, real sleek keyboard. HP's gotten a lot better at being artistic. This is almost, it's reminiscent of the style of a nice Apple keyboard. Should have a couple, this one, sometimes they have flip-up legs to give it an angle, but this one's just designed with that angle in there. USB keyboard, USB mouse. We'll plug that in quick. So if we're looking at the ports, you can count 1, 2 standard USB ports, power cord in the middle, 2 high-speed USB ports, an HDMI port, and a headphones port on the side. Also an older, a printer cable. So those are your ports in the back. Underneath, I think you have a multi-port. Yep. On the bottom, right there, is a 3-in-1 multi-port for card reading, a card reader. We are all wired up, which is actually a real simple thing. Power button here is on the right side. They have a removable sticker that I would leave on for a little while until you get used to the power your kids do. But we're going to press the power button. Got a little white light, and I can hear a hum start. Okay, we seem to be in business. We've got just a moment now.
For all you plan to do.
Okay, Cortana started to talk to me.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Okay, this is pretty neat. They've taken computer setup and made it a matter
Awesome.
of
Hang tight while we get them installed.
10 or 12 clicks with the mouse. So pretty easy. I'm going to hit stop here. You don't need to see this, and I'll fire this up when it's all ready to go.
Don't turn on.
Setup took about a minute. What's new about this one? It has that oral help, the Cortana. If you say, hey Cortana, it will ask you what's going on. But right now we're in the final stages of configuration, and after this I'll be able to download the games my kids have had on the old computer and do that. But really, this has been the easiest computer setup I've ever had to do. I got to use my old Microsoft account, so that probably simplified it a little bit. But other than that, for under $400, for about $370 and change, to have a modern, clean machine ready to go in just a few minutes is amazing. Again, that says December 2017. Pretty good deal, pretty resilient machine. This will be good for a first grader and a fifth grader for probably another 3 or 4 years, and that's more than enough return on investment for me. Hey, if you have any questions on this computer, send me a comment, and I'll do my best to answer. Otherwise, like and subscribe. I put new ones on all the time. And as always, thanks for watching.